Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a print-on-demand store with Printful on Shopify. So if you want to sell shirts, hoodies, mugs, hats, phone cases, or other custom products online, but you do not want to buy stock first, this is what you can do. With Printful, you can create the product, upload your design, add it to your Shopify store, and when someone buys it, Printful can make it and ship it for you. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Create your Shopify store. First, go to Shopify and create your store. If you already have a Shopify store, you can use that one, but if you are starting from zero, click the button to start a new store. Shopify may ask you a few questions like what you want to sell, where your business is located, and what your store name is. Just answer them as best as you can. You do not need to make everything perfect right now. You can always change things later. Once you are inside your Shopify admin page, this is where you will control your store. You will use this area to add products, change your website design, set up payments, check orders, and manage your store. Before connecting Printful, it is a good idea to do a few basic things first. Go to your Shopify settings and add your business details, store name, address, and contact email. This helps your store look more complete and ready. Step 2. Create your Printful account. Next, go to Printful and create an account. You can sign up with your email. After that, Printful may ask you what you want to do, what type of products you want to sell, and which store platform you are using. Since we're using Shopify, choose Shopify when you see that option. If you do not see it right away, do not worry. You can connect Shopify later from inside your Printful account. Printful is the place where you will choose products, add your designs, and prepare the product that will be sent to your Shopify store. So Shopify is your online store, and Printful is the place that helps make and ship the products. Now, we need to connect Shopify and Printful together. Inside your Printful dashboard, look for the Store menu. You may see an option like Add a new store or Stores. Click that, then choose Shopify. Printful should send you to Shopify so you can install the Printful app. When Shopify opens, click Install, then log into your Printful account if it asks you to. After you allow the connection, your Shopify store and Printful account should be linked. This means products you create in Printful can be added to Shopify. Take a moment to make sure you are connected to the right Shopify store, especially if you have more than one store. You want to avoid adding products to the wrong store. But remember, just launching the store is not enough. You still need to bring people to it. You can share your store on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Pinterest, or anywhere your target customers spend time. Start with one product, learn how everything works, then add more products later. Do not try to add too many products on day one. It's better to start simple and improve your store step by step. And that's how you set up a print-on-demand store with Printful on Shopify. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.